Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So if you want to buy Bitcoin on PayPal, here's a quick guide on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to open your PayPal app or the website, then go to the finance or crypto section. Then step 2, you have to tap on buy crypto. So tap buy and choose Bitcoin from the list. Then choose the purchase amount. So enter how much BTC you want to buy, which can buy as low as with a minimum of $1. Then after that, you have to pick a payment method. So use your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or debit card. Then credit card as well or PayPal credit are not allowed for crypto purchases. I repeat, credit cards and PayPal credit are not allowed for crypto purchases. So follow the review the fee and the rate. PayPal charge a spreading markup on the exchange rate, and the fiat fee applies for a small amount, which is between 0.49 to for 1.1 to 149 $1.99, or 0.99 for 5 to $24.99. So once that is confirmed, tap on buy now. If it is web, tap on buy now, and if it is on app, tap on confirm just to complete the order. Then view your Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin shows in your crypto wallet. You can also spend it directly at any merchants that accept PayPal crypto. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did it, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.